Here I have XIAOMI 12T, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, tap on three stripes here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. So here you can add custom watermark, but in order to use it you have to firstly enable device watermark. If you have it disabled, it won't work for you. So here you can add your custom text. You can enter your name, your surname, your nickname, anything you want, but only up to 14 symbols. So I'm just gonna enter name of my favorite YouTube channel, of course. And now let's try to take a photo just for an example. So as you can see, here I have my model name and also my custom watermark. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.